Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Westwood High from Trelawney up against St. Mary High from St. Mary. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Westwood High is represented by team captain Jamela Blackwood, Rena Brown, Axania Morris, and Samoya Miller. While St. Mary High is represented by Nijana Imovan, Ashana Douglas, Xavier Walters, and team captain Shavane Clark. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the 14th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Yvonne Chin Irving and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skills, the knowledge and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Westwood High won and decided to go first, so we begin with Westwood High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Westwood High, geography. Which country is located north of Trinidad and Tobago, northeast of Venezuela and southwest of St. Vincent and the Grenadines?
That is Grenada.
Is correct. Geography, St. Mary. Which country is located northeast of the island of St. Vincent, northwest of Barbados, and south of Martinique?
St. Lucia.
St. Lucia.
Is correct. Local affairs, Westwood, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
That is Leonard Fulton.
No, it's Noel Slowly, Senator. Local affairs, it's a visual one for you, St. Mary. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
So for reason, no, Sapphire Longmore.
Sapphire Longmore.
Is correct. Chemistry, Westwood. What is the general name of the organic compounds containing a functional group with a structure usually written as -CHO?
Allied.
Correct. Chemistry, St. Mary. What is the name of the group of organic compounds that consists of a carbonyl bonded to a single hydrogen?
Carbonyl. CO. Alright. Ketones.
Ketones.
No, formyl group. Music and audio question for you, Westwood. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Behind curtain.
Correct. Music and audio question, St. Mary. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Lights.
Lights.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual question for you, Westwood. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Gwyneth Paltrow.
No, Angela Kinsey. Theatre and cinema, a visual for you, St. Mary. Look at the monitor, please, and identify the person.
Emilia Clarke.
No, Jenna Fisher, Jenna Fishka. Westwood, it's history for you. Forbes Burnham was a leading figure in the politics of which Caribbean country?
Diana.
Correct. History, St. Mary. Who was the first female Prime Minister of Guyana?
Janet
Janet Jagan.
Correct, Janet Jagan or Jagan. Sport, a visual question, Westwood. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Marine Civic.
No, it's Dustin Johnson, professional golfer. Sport, a visual one for you, St. Mary. Look at the monitor and identify the person, please.
Alright. Steve Stricker.
Steve Stricker.
No, it's Matt Kushar, professional golfer. Physics, Westwood. What is the power of a kitchen blender if it can perform 3,750 joules of work in 30 seconds?
That is 125. What?
Correct. Physics, St. Mary. How much energy is consumed by operating a 600-watt microwave oven for 5 minutes?
5 times 60. 300. Alright, so this is 180000 joules.
Correct. And that's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Westwood High on 5 points and St. Mary High also on 5 points. And it's time for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our Viewer's Question comes from the category Biology. The question is, what is the name for the muscles that connect the front of the human chest with the bones of the upper arm and shoulder? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge quiz returns after these messages.